Hello there. A very warm welcome to you. I am so glad you joined me today. My name is Maria. You are listening to English Unleashed Journey. This is your safe space to learn English. Here you can relax and study. You can study at your own pace. There is no rush here. There is no stress at all. If you enjoy these easy lessons, please subscribe to our channel. It really helps me make more videos. Let us start our English journey together. Are you ready for the lesson? Let us begin our study now. Today we will practice natural English. This is English for everyday life. We will learn through simple stories. These are real daily conversations. Do not worry about grammar rules. Just listen carefully to my voice. Try to repeat after me. Learning English can be very easy. It is easy when you relax. Let us look at our first topic. Two friends are talking about hobbies. One friend loves the outdoors. They like hiking in the mountains. They love camping under the stars. Do you enjoy being in nature? The other friend prefers the beach. They love the sound of waves. The ocean waves are so relaxing. One of them loves photography. It is a wonderful, creative hobby. You can capture a beautiful moment. You can freeze a memory forever. Last year, they visited the mountains. Everything was covered in white snow. The view looked like a postcard. They got some amazing shots. Do you have a favorite hobby? Hobbies make life very interesting. What about their daily jobs? One friend is a graphic designer. They create logos for businesses. It keeps them very active. The other friend is a teacher. She teaches history to high schoolers. Teaching is a challenge sometimes, but it is also very rewarding. How do they relax after work? The teacher likes reading mystery books. She also likes a good show. The designer loves cooking to unwind. Cooking is like therapy for him. He puts on some nice music, he tries out a new recipe, he cooks delicious homemade pasta. He also started running recently. Running helps him clear his head. It helps him stay very active. How does he stay motivated? He sets small goals every day, like running for 20 minutes. It becomes much easier over time. Setting goals is very smart. We should all try doing that. Now, let us change the topic. Let us look at workplace conversations. Three coworkers are having a meeting. They need some eco-friendly packaging. One suggests using recycled paper, but recycled paper is quite expensive. Another suggests making boxes smaller. Smaller boxes will save money. That is a very clever idea. But will all products fit inside? They decide to check the budget. The recycled paper supplier is good, but their price is much higher. We cannot afford that this quarter. But being eco-friendly is so important. It is very good for our brand. The coworkers think of a compromise. They will use recycled paper first. They will use it for half the products. This will test the customer reaction. If sales go up, they will switch. They can switch fully next quarter. They also want to promote soap. They want to promote lavender soap. They will share posts on social media. They will offer a free sample. People love trying before buying. One coworker requests some time off. Her brother is getting married. She will be away for 5 days. Is that okay with the manager? The manager looks at the calendar. It is during the product launch, but she will finish tasks early. She will complete the social media plan. She will train her coworker too. So the manager approves the leave. He tells her to enjoy the wedding. That is a very nice manager. During lunch, they talk about food. One is eating tasty chicken curry. The other is eating healthy salad. He is trying to eat clean. But someone brings fresh, homemade brownies. They smell so sweet and warm. He wants to stick to his diet, but the brownies look so delicious. He takes just one little brownie, and the healthy diet is gone. We all have moments like that. It is okay to enjoy treats. Let us practice asking for directions. Imagine being lost in a city. You are looking for your hotel. You have been walking in circles. A friendly local offers to help. She says the hotel is close. Do you see that big park? The park has a beautiful fountain and many colorful fresh flowers. Walk straight toward the park, but do not go inside it. Turn right at the fountain. There is a lovely coffee shop. It is on the corner there. The hotel is across the street. It is a big blue building. It has beautiful white windows. You cannot miss the big building. You can also take the bus. The bus stops right near here. Just ask the friendly driver. The traveler is very happy now. She feels so much better. The local was a lifesaver. Now let us go to a cafe. Let us practice ordering some drinks. Welcome to our local coffee shop. What can I make for you today? I would like a cappuccino, please. What size would you like? We have small, medium, and large. I will take a medium, please. Would you like any sweet flavor? We have vanilla and caramel. Caramel sounds very delicious. Let us go with caramel flavor. What is the difference between drinks? A latte has more warm milk. A cappuccino has milk and foam. They have equal parts of both. A macchiato is very strong. It has just a dollop of foam. You can also order a mocha, a large mocha with whipped cream, or a cold iced latte, an iced latte with almond milk, or just a simple black coffee. It is easy to order coffee. Now let us talk about weather. It is so warm and beautiful today. It feels like beautiful spring. The sky is clear and blue. There is not a single cloud. It is perfect for a walk. But the weather can change quickly. Sometimes the morning is very foggy. It looks like a mystery movie. But the sun burns it off. The sun comes out by noon. Does weather affect your mood? On sunny days, we feel energetic. The sunshine charges our batteries. On rainy days, we feel lazy. We want to curl up in bed. We want to read a book. What is your favorite season? Some people love the autumn. They love the colorful leaves. Others love the fresh spring. The fresh flowers look so lovely. Sudden summer rain can be annoying, but you can make the best of it. Let us go grocery shopping now. We need to buy some flour. We also need some brown sugar. There are many types of flour, like all-purpose and whole wheat. For movie night, we need snacks. We can choose chips or popcorn. Ripe bananas are bright yellow, but green bananas last much longer. When choosing tomatoes, look carefully. They should be firm and soft. They should smell very fresh. Avocados are tricky to buy. They should be slightly soft, but they should not be mushy. Pre-washed spinach saves much time. If you need gluten-free food, you can buy rice pasta or pasta made from chickpeas. Always check the expiration dates. Check the dates on milk. Check the dates on yogurt. Buy fresh eggs and check them. Check them for any small cracks. Finally, let us visit a hotel. Good afternoon to you, sir. Welcome to our quiet hotel. How can I assist you today? I have a room reservation. It is under my name. Could I see your ID, please? The room is on the 3rd floor. It is a very quiet area. It has a lovely park view. It also has blackout curtains. They are great for deep sleep. Our hotel offers a free breakfast. It is served in the morning. We have eggs and fresh fruit. We also have delicious pastries. If there is any small problem, you can call the front desk, like a bedside lamp not working. Maintenance will come very quickly. They will replace the bulb, or they will replace the lamp. They can also tighten the shower. They can fix a loose shower head. Learning English takes some patience, but you are doing so well. Keep practicing every single day. Listen to these stories often. You will speak natural English soon. I believe in your progress. Thank you for learning with me. Thank you for choosing my channel. It is English Unleashed Journey. Do not forget to subscribe. See you in my next video. Goodbye and take care.